Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna explain why you need to use Photon Fusion in your game project. Discover the world of Photon Fusion and revolutionize your multiplayer games. Stay tuned to learn why you need to use Photon Fusion and how to take advantages of our upcoming courses. So, what is Photon Fusion? Photon Fusion is a powerful networking framework designed to make multiplayer game development easier and more efficient. With its seamless integration with Unity, it offers high-performance solutions to create truly immersive and interactive multiplayer experiences. There are numerous advantages to using Photon Fusion. Some of these include faster development process. Photon Fusion provides an efficient user-friendly environment that helps developers create and deploy multiplayer games with ease. Scalability. Photon Fusion is built to handle any game size, from small indie project to large-scale AAA titles, ensuring smooth gameplay even as your player base grows. Cross-platform compatibility. Photon Fusion allows players to connect across different platforms, expanding your game's reach and maximize player engagement. However, there are some disadvantages. Due to its novelty, there is a shortage of educational material and tutorials available, making it difficult for developers to learn and master Photon Fusion. But don't worry, Ironhead Games is here to help you. We are thrilled to announce the launch of two comprehensive courses: Multiplayer VR Development with Photon Fusion and Multiplayer Game Development with Photon Fusion. These courses will provide you with the knowledge and skills needed to create cutting-edge multiplayer games using Photon Fusion. The best part, you can get them at a whopping 90% discount. Are you interested in learning more about Photon Fusion and making the most of this fantastic opportunity? Head over to our website and sign up for the waitlist. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Join the future of multiplayer development with Photon Fusion and Ironhead Games today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more updates and exclusive offers. See you in the next time.